Hello and welcome to my channel and to my Patreon page. In this video we'll talk about some of the Houdini 20.5 updates, especially for the XPU and Karma. Just a walkthrough. All my scenes, all my tutorial, my examples, you can find it on my Patreon page, which you are encouraged to attend, join, even for free member. So you are welcome on board. So for this scene I have this model which I'm lighting. The model I brought it from Sketchfab, so thanks to XR I just downloaded it as OBJ USD. I downloaded it as GLTF. Then let's minimize this one a little bit and let me go to my setup. So first thing first, let me cancel this one. I brought it as first I downloaded it, then go to file, import and GLTF scene, and I imported it, this one, and it will come with the texture. So this is the file and this is the geometry and these are the materials. So what I did, I have a script here, merge FBX. I just run it. So when I run it, it will collect all of these geometry, all of it, and will create a new geo node where it will merge them all together, keeping the shop material path and merging them, giving them some normals, and then I reconnected the materials. I add them here. Then I separated the ground from the buildings and I give each collection a name. See? Then I make a match size, so it's sit on the ground, and put a null for out. Now I'll go to Solaris. Where is Solaris? So in Solaris here, in Solaris, first thing first, I added a sub import and connected to the out. Then I have my materials, which are assigned according to the name attribute that we created, as you can see down here. And then the fun part here, I added a Karma physical sky. So let me just give it a go, and if I play with the solar azimuth, see, let me go to the camera, and as you can see, will change the lighting, the rotation, how high. Okay, so we'll keep it like this. Then I added a couple of lights. These lights are for the windows, for the door, and I give it an orange look. So if you go to set Kelvin, I choose the candle and a camera, which we are looking from it. Now for the camera here, if you go to Karma and you activate, set or create the lens shader and activate the lens material and press on this one, it will create for you Karma lens material that you can play with. So let me just remove this. So this is okay. This is the lens distortion. I make it polar, you can make it polar, orthopedic, orthographic, perspective. So let me go back to this one. Tinting, you can play with the exposure. Here I can play with the exposure and make it a little bit orange. Tilting, see, the focus, you can play with it, the OpenCV, to what extent, and the shutter also. Next thing is the lighting. I added an area light from this side and I created light filter library, which I connected the light to. The light, Control C, light path, light path, light path. Okay, Control B, I forget to add this one. Now here I added 4. You go to the light filter, you have the light attenuation, barn door, gel, gobo, and projection. So this is the barn door, where you can play with the barn door of the light, and you have some edge bleed, even the right. So the 4 sides. This is the gobo also, and you can choose the picture, and you have the attenuation also, and you can play with the gel. So let's say I want it a little bit orange or pinkish or bluish, something like that. This is the intensity you can control. So now it looks dark. All are running in Karma XPU. Let me make it XPU. Have a look. Let me save it. I will share the file. So this is how it looks. Other things we can do, we can add, to go to the light and add a light mixer. Is added here, and here we will add all of these lights. We just expand this one. I have light 1, light 2, light 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and I have the sliders which I can control. So let me go back to the camera, scale, so I can individually play with the lights. So these are the lights inside. If I turn them off, or will turn them on one by one. This one I can increase, make it pronounced. Or play with the temperature. And this is the sky. Let's play with it a little bit, increase the intensity. And here we are. Far view. We are having some shadows. So here it is. So thank you for watching, and you are welcome to be invited to join me on my Patreon. So so you can find a lot of examples. Thank you very much.